Hello everybody. Today we are getting into the third question of SQL 50 playlist. The question name is Big Countries. We'll get into the question. They have given the world table, which consists of five attributes: name, continent, area, population, and GDP. And also they have given the sample input, which consists of five columns and six rows. Here you don't have to worry about all the column. We'll get into the question. Actually, they are asking you to display the country name which have area at least 3 million. At least 3 million means the minimum value should be 3 million, which means area should be greater than or equal to 3 million. The same wise, population should have at least 25 million, which is population should be greater than or equal to 25 million. For example, in our scenario, only Afghanistan and Algeria. These two countries satisfy that population condition which have population greater than or equal to 25 million. So you have to display only these two countries. Other than that, all other countries doesn't satisfy any of that condition. So it will be not displayed in the output. Here you can see the sample output. We'll get into the code. Here you can see the output should display name, population, and area. So I just selected name, population, and area from table name world. Okay, we have to implement the condition. Before that, we'll just run this. Here you can see it was just displaying all the names, population, and area. We'll implement that condition. To implement the condition, we should use where keyword. Here, you know, right? The area should be at least 3 million means it should be greater than or equal to 3 million. You should use or operator because either one of the conditions satisfied, it should display. We'll run this. I hope now you got it right. Okay, we'll just submit this. Okay, it got accepted. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that it will motivate me to post many videos. Yeah, we'll see.